problem with kleptomaniacs is they always take things literally. Hey Flock and Model Railroaders, I wanted to do a quick unboxing. I won another contest. So, there was a contest a few weeks ago for a laser engraver, and I was the grand prize winner.
All right, the winner of today's prize, drum roll please, is Alan Feldman. Alan Feldman, you have won a Laser Master 2 Pro laser engraver. Congratulations to Alan Feldman of Maryland. Yeah, if your name is Alan Feldman, then awesome. I'm going to send you an email at the email address that you provided, and yeah, you got yourself a laser.
Let's go to the bench. This thing is huge, by the way, so it's kind of hard to spot. If I take off the foam on top, this is the Orter Laser Master 2 Pro. This is the brand new one that just came out, just released, and I'm really excited to use this. I'm really excited to get it set up. The problem is I don't have a spot to get it set up just yet, so working on that as well. But it comes with everything to build it, and then some chintzy little glasses and some sample pieces of wood and stuff like that you can drill on. So I'll have to set this up. There's plenty of setup videos out there, so I don't need to go into like a setup or anything. But this is the laser itself. This one is the 4.5 volt, 3.5 amp. It's the input of the laser diode. The module is a 24 volt 2 amp. The maximum power 5,500 milliwatts. And I've been told that there's because this laser is more powerful, because it's running on a 24 volt power supply, it can actually cut wood and do some laser cutout. So I'm hoping to use this for some like DIY craftsman builds. So watch for future videos on that. They don't recommend using the glasses that come with it. So I did purchase a different pair of glasses. You can see these have an orange tint to them. This is supposed to block the laser that is. And you saw the end of the laser itself actually had an orange tint to it, but the glasses they sent were green. Not sure why. So anyway, here's the rest of the things from Zach. Maybe this isn't anything special. No, this actually is part of the laser. I guess he forgot to include it. The laser engraver can also engrave cylindrical things like mugs, coffee cups, those kind of things. So this is the cylinders to do that. That's what this is. So I'm really excited to have this. Thank you, Zach. Thank you, Voidstar Labs. This is going to be a lot of fun. I can't wait to get started on this. So watch for future videos. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Zach. And see you at the next stop, guys.